A major case of Shiba Inu fraud has been uncovered. The next bull run may coincide with the release of various initiatives targeted at reinforcing the price actions of the assets. Thus, Shiba Inu hopes to see a significant price increase when the markets recover. Several sources have assessed the asset's chances of reaching the $1 price objective that has been the subject of recent price speculation. In this video, we'll discuss the recent discovery of a large Shiba Inu swindle. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Finder, a leading fintech comparison tool, polled 55 fintech experts and industry leaders last year to get their predictions for the future of Shiba Inu prices. According to the most up-to-date information provided by Crypto Basic, the panel predicts that the asset's value will reach $0 and 4,930 cents by the year 2025. About half of the panelists expressed uncertainty about the effect Shibarium may have on SHIB's price movement, while a quarter of them predicted it would help fuel a price increase for Shiba Inus. Among the panelists is senior financial expert at FX Pro Alexander Kupsikovic, who has forecast that SHIB would reach $0 and 1 cent by 2025. Non-custodial cryptocurrency exchange Changely, on the other hand, is pessimistic about Shiba Inu. According to one of Changely's in-depth analyses, the highest price SHIB will reach by 2025 is $0 and 2,694 cents. Changely predicts that by 2030, the asset's value would have dropped to $0 and 17 cents. Telegon, an authoritative analytics platform that specializes in equities and cryptocurrencies, added its 2 cents as well. Telegon released a research on SHIB prices from 2023 to 2050 last Monday. According to the findings, the asset's price in 2019 is expected to range between $0 and 239 cents to $0 and 316 cents. In addition, Telegon projected that the price of a Shiba Inu might reach a peak of $0 and 712 cents in 2030 and $0 and 89 cents in 2040. The analytics platform estimates that the asset will take a further 27 years to reach a $1 price, which may be a significant amount of time in the eyes of many financiers. This is in sharp contrast to its earlier price forecast of $9.69 for SHIB in a study dated 2022. The path of crypto assets may be somewhat unpredictable, so even if these sites have made price predictions, you shouldn't take them as financial advice. In spite of this, advocates within the Shiba Inu community have persisted in pushing for a variety of initiatives that are designed to boost the value of the item in question. The creation of Shibarium, Shiba Swap 2.0, and Shib the Metaverse may have a significant impact on the asset's worth by increasing its demand, usefulness, and burn rate, regardless of the asset's future price trend. SHIB has lost $0.0000847, or 2.08% in value during the last day on the market. When the MA50 fell below the MA200 for the first time in 2023, it signaled a bearish trend for SHIB. This trend was last seen in February 2022, when SHIB's price plummeted to a yearly low of $0 and 788 cents. Overselling of digital assets, including SHIB, during the current market collapse will result in the first death cross for SHIB in 2023. The death cross is an indication of past performance rather than an indicator of future outcomes. Therefore, its predictive value is limited. Use caution and think about the long-term consequences. However, SHIB is now oversold, suggesting that it may be nearing a bottom. It is essential, however, to keep a close eye on its future development in order to get further insights and locate investment prospects. While SHIB rests and recovers, you may invest in Miyagi and ApeCoin. Twitter users were quick to spread word of the awakening giant on Friday, with many hailing the early adopters of Shiba Inus that they were. When the aforementioned wallet address was first generated in April 2021, Shib was worth less than 0.00000002 USD. Since then, the recently used wallet address has likely made more than $0 USD by trading Shib. The token's value skyrocketed in October of 2021, when most of those gains were achieved. But since its all-time high, the meme currency has lost more than 75% of its value. Shiba Inu is now valued just 0.000000857 USD, down from close to 0.00007 USD in October 2021. The cryptocurrency saw a 7% gain earlier in the week, but one whale's choice to shift their holdings from cold storage to a crypto exchange signals they may be about to sell. According to the block's on-chain data intelligence provider, 81% of Shiba Inu investors might lose money at the current price of the asset. According to the latest numbers from Netherskin, there are presently over 1.3 million SHIB holders. Because of this, 1,053,000 addresses are now useless. Even more so, research into the block shows that just 16% of holders, or over 200 addresses, are really seeing a gain. In addition, there are around 39,000 profitable addresses. This means that the holders aren't making any money or losing any money on their investments. The continuing market-wide massacre is to blame for Shib's current dire situation, which has seen the cryptocurrency drop below the $0.01 level. Most Shiba Inu token holders, as reported by Intidablock, purchased their holdings while the token's price was between $0.09 and $0.26. The price of Shib has decreased by 1.96% over the last week and is now worth $0.80,852. Meme coins have been quite popular in the cryptocurrency market recently. However, it might be difficult to keep up with the hundreds of new releases and choose the best one to invest in. Shiba Inu has a long history in the cryptocurrency industry and continues to be a popular meme coin among investors. Shiba Inu was unable to break over its previous record high of $0 and 8,845 cents due to the crypto winter that occurred last year. However, Shiba Inu reportedly generated approximately $100 million in trade activity in recent reports. Shiba Inus have been used in previous meme iterations. It has shown its ability to provide investors with profits in both rising and falling markets. Shiba's decentralized network, Shibarium, and the currency's new burn rate have renewed interest in the once promising meme coin. And with a 24-hour trading volume of around $100 million, Shiba Inu is sure to excite cryptocurrency enthusiasts wherever they go. The high amount of transactions for Shiba Inus is a good sign for increased prices in the future. The future value of Shiba Inu is still the subject of speculation among the crypto industry's top specialists. Despite the enormous odds, investors are not sitting on their hands while waiting for Shiba Inu to give the necessary returns so that it may reach $1. Even though Shiba Inu has been getting all the press lately, there is a new dog in town that might wind up leaving Shiba Inu in the dust. Investors in search of the next big chance for large returns are going crazy about this game-changing GameFi coin. Shiba Inu is an effort to create a cryptocurrency similar to Dogecoin but built on the Ethereum blockchain. Shib is purposefully plentiful, with a total quantity of 1 quadrillion, in contrast to the Flash and airy cryptos like Bitcoin that generate token scarcity. Though the token soared by more than 100% to begin the year, this meme coin has since failed to maintain up with that boom, shedding more than 25% of the profits it first offered. Investors have doubted the long-term viability of Shib, the famous meme coin, due to its lack of meaningful utilities and use cases, despite its widespread attention and short-term profits spurred by hype and tweets from notable persons. There is still a risk of market volatility and excessive price changes for Shib, since there is not a compelling investment thesis backed by real-world applications. It's fascinating to see that Shib is still being discussed by the crypto community. The high social activity level was indicative of this. Most of the talk about Shiba Inus, however, was negative. As the weighted emotions for Shib fell dramatically, it became clear that the market was dominated by bearish attitude about the meme currency. The day is over now. remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.